Aluminium or aluminium in American English and Canadian English is a chemical element with the symbol Al and atomic number 13. Aluminium has a density lower than those of other common metals at approximately one-third that of steel. It has great affinity towards oxygen and forms a protective layer of oxide on the surface when exposed to air. Aluminium visually resembles silver both in its color and its great ability to reflect or light. It is soft, non-magnetic, and ductile. It has one stable isotope. This isotope is very common, making aluminium the 12th most common element in the universe. The radioactivity of Al is used in aluminium is a post-transition metal in the boron group, as is common for the group. Aluminium forms compound primarily in the +3 oxidation state. The aluminium caption Al3 plus is small and highly charged. As such, it is polarizing and bonds aluminium forms tend towards covalency. The strong affinity towards oxygen leads to aluminium's common association with oxygen in nature in the form of oxides. For this reason, aluminium is found on Earth primarily in rocks in the crust, where it is the third most abundant element after oxygen and silicon, rather than in the mantle and virtuality never as the free metal. The discovery of aluminium was announced in 1825 by Danish physicist Hans Christian Ørsted. The first industrial production of aluminium was initiated by French chemist Henri Antoine Claire Deville in 1856. Aluminium became much more available to the public with the whole developed independently by French engineer and American engineer Charles Martin Hall in 1886, and the mass production of aluminium led to its extensive use in industry and everyday life. In world wars, and aluminium was a crucial strategic resource for aviation. In 1954, aluminium became the most produced non-ferrous metal, surpassing copper in the late 21st century. Most aluminium was consumed in transportation, engineering, constructions, and packaging in the United States, Western Europe, and Japan. Despot, Despite its prevalence in the environment, no living organism is known to use aluminum salts metabolically, but aluminium is well tolerated by plants and animals because of the abundance of these salts. The potential for a biological role for them is of continuing interest, and studies continues. Of aluminium isotopes, only Al is stable. This situation is common for elements with an old atomic number.